Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a comment workload activity on a ticket. Without losing any time, let's head to any ticket and go to the Activity tab. Here you can insert a comment or a workload. In order to create a comment, click on the Add Comment button and write your comment in the description field over here. Here you can write the comment. One thing you can also do is make the comment private by choosing its visibility on the portal. If you make it not to be visible on the portal, the end user would not be able to see it, but the technicians would. Let's save it and see how it looks like. You can tell by the eye icon over here. So this is a private comment that only the technicians can see between them, and this is a public comment that the end user can see as well. To add a workload, head over to its tab and click on the Add Activity button over here. You have to select the time that the workload started. You have to set the status to enable, set the duration. For example, let's set it to be 2 hours. Then you have to link the workload to the corresponding contract and contract line where the hours you worked in this ticket will be deducted from. So let's select the contract as well as a contract line. In the description field, you can write anything to describe the workload. Afterwards, you can simply save it. You can also add tasks to the ticket by clicking on Add Task button over here. Here, you have to set a title for the task, for example, system update, write the description, for example, update the system to the latest version, which is 3.0. You have to select the time that it should start or it started. And then you have to select the completion percentage. For example, let's set it to be 50%. Here you can choose the status, whether it's in progress, done, deleted, or it's a to-do. You can also assign it to a certain technician, for example, assign it to Alfred Nobel, and choose whether it's visible for the end user or not. And then you have to save it. Here you can see the to-do task appearing on the ticket. The last thing that you can do is attach files to the ticket by simply clicking on Upload a File button over here. And then just simply select the file that you want to upload. So this was the tutorial on tickets activity. You can find more videos like this into our channel.